Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat pagi ya guys ya, selamat siang, selamat sore, atau selamat malam buat kalian yang nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Welcome back ya guys ya.
Whether this good is a real desert. Let's not waste it.
Langsung saja guys. Gelo baru ya ini ya.
Your team is banning.
Gelo jadi transparan gini bro.
Ban a hero. The enemy is picking.
We are glue!
Your team is picking.
Even the strongest of parents fail to
enemy
save
is
me!
Let the killing begin. Uranus has awakened.
Sanjo.
Your team is picking.
Only love and night are everlasting.
Locked, loaded, and ready
The
to
enemy
bring
is
the
picking.
heat.
Valor is engraved in my soul.
to the greatest magic show of all
Please
time.
pick a hero.
Sand rises when I give the word.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Watch out for the jungle. Deployed.
Understood.
Watch out for the jungle.
The truths must be preserved.
First blood.
My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar.
Attack! Launch attack!
Understood.
Onward! We win or we die.
Let's go guys. Gue lagi pilek-pilek ini kambing lah. Waduh, udah ulti ya si ini ya.
The truths must be preserved. My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar. Our fate.
Gelo lolos bro, god damn. Aduh, kok ke ini ya, gagal ya.
Everything is only measured. I speak for the sand. Our fate flows beneath our feet.
Wah, mati gua fix. Walah we. Nggak bisa di kill itu mah.
Nothing to fear, but fear itself.
Request backup. Enemy rampage.
Invading jungle.
Gue mending ngabisin bawahnya ya nggak sih guys?
The enemy has slain the turtle. Enemy unstoppable.
Beware the quicksands. The sand will take
Request backup.
onward. We win or we die. Feel the heartbeat of the desert. The truths must be preserved.
Semuanya aja lihat, 1 lihat, 2 lihat, 3 lihat.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Kita banyakin stack aja ya.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Gak mati sih guys, gimana caranya dia gak mati lah. Lah buset, nggak mati dia. Lah. Bagaimana dah? Buset dah, langsung hilang gitu guys.
Desert.
Our turret has been destroyed.
speak for the sands.
Attack enemy lord.
Ais.
Your team destroyed a turret. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
The sands will take you.
Slain an enemy.
Beware of the quicksands.
Our turret is under attack.
My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar.
Our base is under attack.
Pikirkan secara logika, guys.
My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my
Retreat.
scimitar.
Understood.
Our turret is under attack.
Mundur gak sih?
Our turret has been destroyed.
The sands will take you.
Double kill. Legendary.
Kejar nggak sih, kejar? Belum bisa, bro. Nice, salut banget itu dia.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Kita harus ganti ini ya nih, bro. $500 mahal kali, Wak.
Attack enemy lord.
Onward. We win.
Sabar, gua ganti item dulu kan. Muter dia, muter. Wah, nggak nemu lah. Buset.
Superb AoE.
Ya, muter dia, bro. Sangat-sangatlah bau ya match pertama ya.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. Your team is picking.
I am not the only one
Pove.
bound by
The
these
enemy is picking.
chains.
Enakan apa ya combo sama Pove nih?
Ready to make some real money, compadre?
Franco dia, bro. Dicakar gua. Franco ya, Franco.
I've been waiting for too long.
Kufra.
The enemy is picking. You should be ashamed for
Ya paling
not
Kufra
trusting
doang
yourself.
sih.
To the
Akai
greatest mag show of all
Your
time.
team
Team is picking.
Akai nggak terlalu bisa gua. Enak Akai sih sama Pove. Lagi-lagi Harley ya, Harley di buff kah? Ini Eudora baru ya?
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
The enemy is picking.
Lagi-lagi Harley.
It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Waduh, dia magic semua, bro. Magic semua dia.
battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Kita ikutan merah deh.
Stop your bastards! Just surrender!
Buset. Kabur.
Initiate retreat.
Masa gue flicker? Nggak mungkin dong.
Keep an eye on the map.
Destruction is the start of my role.
Launch attack. Blood. Great play.
Langsung saja. Aduh, sorry ke ini. Flicker kan dia?
Enemy battle spell on CG.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Level 4. Ally has slain the turret.
Flicker ya. Wah, mati ya guys.
An enemy has initiated retreat.
Aduh. Kena skill 2. Skill 1 apa 2 itu ya? Skill 2-nya enggak sih?
By accident,
Launch attack.
there is no difference.
Instant kill.
Initiate retreat.
Waduh.
Destruction is the start
Ally
of
has
my
been
role.
slain. Ally has been slain.
Nggak bisa bro. Digigit gua. Ayo sini dong. Maju nggak sih dia?
Initiate retreat.
I shall be the end of you.
Request initiate retreat. Okay. Battle spell in cooldown.
Ih, aduh. Athena Shield-nya nggak ini ya, nggak nyala bro. Kita bikin ini dulu ya. All drone dulu nggak sih?
Turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Okay.
Mati dong dia.
Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack. Ult is not ready. Initiate.
Enemy battle cell on CD.
Initiate retreat.
What these disadvantages?
Launch attack.
Gue spionin nih. Nah ini Eudora ngapain nih Eudora?
Launch attack. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gue sudah all in dia bro. Ya elah warnya gimana dah. Ya elah bro. Ya elah Nana.
Destruction is the start of my rule.
Wah warnya jelek banget sih.
Turret has been destroyed.
Dia ngangkatnya itu dong. Good.
Been destroyed. Double kill. Under attack, not ready. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Double kill. Launch attack. Team destroyed the turret.
Kita bikin ini dulu ya, Domi. Nggak ada yang bikin ini, Domi ya. Ada deh. Nana bikin ini dia, glowing.
Killing spree. Mega kill.
Nice. Gila temen gua solid bro. Biarnya mati udah pasti. Pas banget. Begit ya.
Initiate retreat.
Yellow minyak bro, god damn. Sapek.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Legendary.
Nggak sapek bro. Nice di gagalin. aman banget bro, nggak ada damage si Eudoranya bro. Nice, sini gue Paul drone. Gue udah Paul drone, enak banget bro. Udah ulti deh ya.
Launch attack.
Lo kena gua bro, god damn. God damn, instant kill. God damn. Gila, kita membantai-bantai bro. Buset, dari sisi grafik kayak sebelah nggak sih ini? Nanggung nggak sih? Glory apa? Mythic kok glory anjay. Ini apa nih? Oh, M8 ya guys ya. M8 itu gua kalau mage. Aduh, Sapphire nggak termasuk sih. Bisa dibilang Sapphire tuh skin belinya tuh nggak ada ya. MM udah di ban ya. Gue vote Vexana deh. Kayaknya kalau buat skin itu bagus dah. Vexana kan area kan.
Your team is banning.
Grok gak sih? Gede banget gue kalau ketemu grok.
Please ban a hero.
Apa nih satu lagi nih? Yang lepas satu lagi Obsidian kah? Oh, Sora udah ya, udah.
Your team is picking.
Obsidian Ixia bro. Ketuker-tuker mulu ya. Gue kalau Franco males banget sih. Ya udah kita Franco dah guys.
I love the smell
born
counter kan.
with talent.
Your team is picking.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Kayaknya si Gwyn itu mengarah ke ini ya, apa namanya, jungle. Kalau nggak jungle ini dia roam
The
ya.
only one bound by
The
these
enemy is
chains.
Gwyn antara Gwyn antara jungle atau roam ini. Tamusnya XP. Buset, skin apa itu?
The immortal one chose me to vanquish the shadows.
Ya,
that
Sultan kah,
plague
Sultan
this
kah?
world.
Kolektor bre. Sultan ini sih guys, fix ini guys.
Your team is picking.
Ini meta factor semua ya.
Shadow of obscurity! Sancho!
Factor semua nih guys.
I am vengeance
MM lagi.
incarnate.
Kenapa nggak pakai factor juga? Kayak di Gwyn ini dah. Gwyn samping dah. Oh ini gold nih berarti last pick nih. Sun. Sunnya berarti gold ya. Sun gold. Wah dia meta factor bro. Gwynnya berarti bener roam Gwyn. Suyonya jungle. Tamusnya samping. Master Assassin dia. Kenapa dia emblem tank ya? Xaviernya ngeri banget sih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed.
Real fighter never runs.
Dia mau ngerusuh nih, fix.
Trying to teach you some rules, Cubs.
Mesti dia tuh. Flicker ya gini ya.
First blood.
Ini gak kenal lagi. Wah bau kah? Calon-calon bau ini kayaknya nanti nih. Aman gak sih Haya? Gue tinggal. Aman ya?
Solo kill.
Well played.
Enemy reached level 4.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Killing spree.
Makanin aja bro, dapat ituan lumayan. Diamin doang gua, gila. 0% ya, 0% ya ini gua ya, tarikan gua. Ya dapat juga karena deket guys. Aduh, apa sih dia?
Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Ult is ready.
One shot, one kill.
Goal. Mega kill.
Indirang utang inamo. Mati semua situ. Jago kayaknya buset.
Not ready. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Minimal maksimal gua ke bawah dulu sekali aja ya.
Ult is ready.
Ada nih.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Oh, buset dah. Wih, turun lah gak sih? Turun bro pada.
Request backup.
Turun lah weh.
Our turret is under attack.
Hey, the enemy's missing!
Time to teach you guys. Real fighter never runs.
Oh, nggak berani dia.
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy attack. Push first. Request backup. Need assistance.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Your team destroyed a turret. Killing
Gue cuma
spree.
narik udah tinggal gitu guys.
Request backup.
Real fighter never runs.
dia bakal
Teach
mati
you
bro.
guys a lesson.
We're behind in goal. An enemy has been slain.
Mana ya? Anjir. Buset. Optimum Prime. Ini masih.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Nice. Maksa banget ya, mundur bener tadi gue ya.
Okay. Our turret has been destroyed.
Mati lah kocak.
Good game.
Gotta teach you some rules, cubs.
Aduh, nggak ada yang mati bro, god damn.
Battle spell in cooldown. Our turret is under attack. Enemy has slain Lord. Turret is under attack. Rampage.
One shot, one kill.
Ult is not ready.
Aduh, masa kalah bro. Wah, jago sih Hayan sih, masa kalah sih Hayan, jago nih.
Our turret is under attack.
Gila jago coy, MM siapa? Kayaknya bro. Real ini mah jago kayaknya.
Been destroyed.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Turret is under attack. Good game.
One shot, one kill.
Good game.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Gue simpen ulti buat si Buin lah ya.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Real fighter never runs.
Gue simpen ulti buat Buin ya.
Is ready.
Gotta teach you some rules, cubs.
Launch attack.
nggak mati bro dianya bro. Gue udah ulti gue ini tadi ya buat nahan.
Good game. Gather at the Lord.
Teach you guys a lesson.
Gather at the Lord. Is not ready. Good game.
Real fighter never runs.
Good game.
Launch attack. Retreat.
One shot, one kill.
Good game.
Gotta teach you some rules, cuz.
Under attack.
Tenang tenang. Gasin. Ngalah. Skinnya menghilang tiba-tiba guys. Aduh masa iya sih. Naik turun naik turun. Gue kalau Franco jangan first pick nggak sih? Udah enak itu tadi loh. Kasihan Hayanya sih bro. Jago dia.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. The enemy is picking. Fight! Fight for the ultimate answer. Hero.
Waduh, Hilda lagi. Hilda guys, Khalid lagi kah? Gua Khalid kah? Khalid sih enak sih.
Sand rises when I give the
The
word.
enemy is picking.
Carved in blood and bone, my
I
power
am the
is
moonlight
undying.
that breaks through the darkness. Picking.
Tapi pada itu semua loh ya duitnya ya. Inian semua bro. Adaptif semua. Flicker atau Revitalis nih?
Let's play together.
So, who's next?
Your team
Sun dari tadi ngeselin banget ya, ada mulu dia.
sniper ready. Give me a target.
Kalau kayak gini enakan Franco sih tadi. Tipis banget semua guys, sekali combo sama yang lain juga mati nih. Kalau Franco tadi ya. Kita ada 2 jaminan late game sih, Aldo sama Leslie.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Jadi merah dulu masih dia. Loh, barter kayak itu dia. Kayak temenan deh dia, guys.
Enemy not taking.
Feel the heartbeat of the desert.
Udah flicker nggak dapet apa-apa bro.
I speak for the sands.
Ally has been slain.
Beware of the quicksands.
Sakit banget guys. Udah level 4 dia. Kita masih level 3 semua loh. Oh, dia dapat kill tadi ya. Siapa mati? Ya elah, gue ini mati tadi guys. Kagak ngeliat gua. Superb tanking. Ada bujuk dah ini dia orang pada. Sampai dimasukin bro ke dalam tower bro.
Initiate retreat.
Everything is only measurable.
Nice. Oke, Gwyn kita udah mulai back, udah banyak comeback ya. Wah, Leslie roman-romannya langsung biru apa berserker ya? Berserker biru ya. Gua kalau item Leslie tergantung lawan sih. Mininya langsung rose gold cuy.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
The sand will take you.
Slain an enemy.
My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar.
Good. Gila untuk harusnya oke banget sih ini.
Everything is only measurable with the honest eyes. My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar. Our fate lies beneath our feet.
The sand will take you.
Mega kill. Initiate retreat.
Feel the heartbeat of the desert.
Launch attack.
Way of the sand must
The sand will take you.
Oke, is oke. Langsung mundur, ada musuh. Gasin aja bro. Sumpah gasin aja bro, menang loh. Midnya weh.
Keep an eye on the map. Keep an eye on the map.
Our
Our
fate.
turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
I speak for the sands.
The sand will take you.
Tidak mati lagi guys. Indira.
Enemy has been slain.
The sand will take you.
Ini jadiin itu penting dia bro.
Instant kill.
I speak for the sands.
Battle team destroyed a turret.
The sand will take you.
Flicker dia. Tak mudah.
Of the quicksands. My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my
Cara tuh dia.
onward. We win or we die.
The sand will take you.
Wis. Nggak kepencet bro, skill 2 nya bro. Bisa di dodge ya sebenarnya ultinya ini ya. Gila dia oh enggak. Gue kira dia memprediksi Sky Piercer ya, tentu nggak pakai Sky Piercer bro. Gue kira Winternya memprediksi gitu loh.
Way of the sand lies ahead of me.
Bat Armor atau Guardian ya?
Nothing to fear but fear itself.
Hah?
Killing spree. Shut down. Monster kill.
The sand will take you. My determination is 1,000 times stronger than my scimitar.
Launch attack.
Hello. What a bet bro. Maniak gak sih? What a bet ya. Gila gue ngebet bro, langsung skill 2. Nah itu loh.
Victory.
Kalau ada Winter gokil lagi kali Winter ya.
Sand rises when I give the word.
Ini jalan pasir apa bro? Apalah main dari tadi
What perfect weather
sejam
for a
cuma nambah
desert
1
adventure.
bintang bro. Ya sudahlah, jadi mungkin cukup sampai di sini aja guys untuk live kali ini guys ya. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah nonton live ini sampai habis. Yang nonton replay juga terima kasih banyak guys. Yes, sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya guys. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila tadi ada salah-salah kata guys ya.
When you're weary
Bye bye,
or
thank you
bored,
guys.
just picture
Bye
an
bye.
oasis in front of you.